5 Best Electric Kettle. Here is the product number 5. 1000 ml Car Hot Kettle Portable. Features: for car, boat, camping, motorhome. Ideal for hot water, coffee, tea, soup, could also as a baby food liquid warmer. Easy to use, plug into your cigarette lighter socket. Specifications: capacity, 1000 milliliters. 3. Boil to 100 degrees Celsius. Time, 24 volts, 20 minutes. Here is the product number 4. Stainless steel 12 volts electric kettle 750 milliliters. Features: material, stainless steel. Capacity, 750 milliliters. Heating time, 25 minutes, 100 degree. Always fill in water before plug the 12 volts cigarette light plug on. Safety lid: the water will no overflow. With this electric heat traveling mug, they can make your coffee/tea always warm. Here is the product number 3. 0.5 liters Mini Electric Kettle stainless steel. Brand name Sonifer. Power, W1000W. Material stainless steel. Capacity, 1 liter. Function safety auto off function. Power source, 220 volts/50 Hz. Heating speed: 4-6 minutes. Heating method: underpan heating. Style: electric kettle. Scale mark and wall mark. Here is the product number 2. 1.2 liters colorful 304 stainless steel electric kettle. Brand name Sonifer. Material: stainless steel. Shell material: stainless steel. Feature: 360 degree rotational base. Function: safety auto off function. Power source: 220 volts/50 Hz. Heating speed: 4-6 minutes. Heating method: underpan heating. Here is the product number 1. Original Xiaomi Mijia 1.5 liters electric water kettle. Main features: 304 stainless steel inner layer. Standard food grade stainless steel, rust free, anti-scaling, odorless, easy to clean. 1.5 liters large capacity. Anti-scalding double layers. Superior strict temperature control. 2-stage damping uncap design. Triple security protection. Capacity, 1.5 liters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.